Howdy, sports fans. I'm Ralph Luck, and welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm in my RV right now. Why? Because it's raining again right now, which is not a bad thing. Took off yesterday, didn't do any videoing. I did do a little hike with my buddy. Can you hear that thunder? And I've got little baby pellets of hail coming down, but they're melting right away. Oh, man, that was some massive lightning. Anyway, pardon the thunder and the rain noise. But yesterday, I didn't do any video, but I went for a hike with my buddy, and I told him 20 minutes. That's it. And then I said, well, let's see what's down there. Well, let's keep going. Ended up getting way far out, and then the road bent, and to come back was like killer uphill. I mean, I stopped 3 times. Once was like a 2-minute sit down rest on a rock. The other 2 times were like 30 seconds to catch my breath. I mean, my legs were burning. I was huffing and puffing. This guy is not in shape, but I'm trying. Part of my motto is be active. And well, boy, I'll tell you, I'm sore today. Yesterday was a real boring do-nothing day. I did do some laundry, and I'll show that short video either before or right after this video. And I just wanted to kind of do a little what a boring rain day is when you're living in an RV sometimes. Make it short and sweet. I'll update throughout the day if anything comes up. It is about midday right now. Totally overcast, cloudy sky. We did get a little bit of sun, which was like a good hour and a half of sun, enough to charge my batteries up, which was great. You know, if it's anything like yesterday, rain stopped like 2 hours before sunset, and I was able to go for a hike. So I hope so, because even though I'm sore, I'd like to stretch my legs and get out there. But when you're living as a nomad in an RV in the forest, kind of subject to the weather, unless you want to pick up everything and leave, which I do not. But the only thing I wanted to do was add water into the RV since I'm going into town tomorrow, and also take off one of the propanes that I've been using to top off when I go into town tomorrow. And I'm going into town tomorrow because I'm bringing Ninja to the vet. I know I've had a lot of comments from people both ways, but like, why are you bringing your indoor cat to a vet? You don't need to worry about that, that. Well, because she is an outdoor cat, I thought it more important that a vet look at her just to make sure she's doing okay. You know what I mean? That if she was inside cat all the time, I wouldn't worry about getting her shots and getting exams and everything else. But because she is outside, I'm going to get her this will be her 3rd annual exam. One last year, one about 5 years ago. And she's due for like the feline leukemia shot. So I'll be doing that tomorrow. That's going to be a barrel of laughs. Getting her, it's like putting toothpaste back in the toothpaste tube, trying to get her into her little cat carrier. And then we'll be taking the VW into town, getting water and propane, and heading back. So I kind of already spoiled tomorrow's video, which I might blend into this one. I don't know. But we'll see. Boop. And somewhere out there is Ninja. Chances are she's under the RV. But you can just see my rug's a mess. It's just rain, rain, rain. Love the cool weather. I'm sure Ninja will be back soon. Time to make some lunch. So here's the deal. You've seen this before on previous videos. Just a simple quesadilla. Now I did buy the way too big burrito tortillas. So they're like hanging over. But again, gonna put some of my seasoning in here. Garlic powder, onion, some jalapenos, little salsa. Once the cheese starts to melt, flip that baby over, let it grill up, and we'll be good to go. Dip it in a little sour cream. Hold on. Who's here? Oh, yeah. Did you get all wet? No, you must have been under the RV. Okay, well, time for you to eat too. Your food's down. Just a lazy, rainy day. Sorry to wake you. And the wet grass doesn't seem to bother Ninja at all. There's a lot of little chipmunks, I think. Or they could be baby squirrels that are out there. They like to climb up this tree right here, sit on that little stick.